sniffing by a tree. She looked a little wild, just like me. Her tongue was out, her fur was a mess, but my heart said yes. I must confess, it was love at first sniff. I knew right then. We rolled in mud and did it again. She stole my treat, I didn't mind. Two happy dogs